Hi there, this is Prithvish and I'm back with the cybersecurity news. And today's headlines is Twitter and Facebook are going to be banned in India. Is it true? Let's find out. Around last year, this time, a major company called as TikTok was banned in India due to the rules and regulations. So right now, the trending news is Twitter and Facebook going to be banned in India? The so called deadline is May 26th, and this was indicated by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, to comply some of the rules and regulations that has to be followed in order to continue its operation. And those are: the Government of India has released an official notification in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology website. I will be providing the same link in the description if you want to go through it in detail. The official notification is divided into three parts, where the part 1 explains about what are the words that are used in the notification. So here are the definitions which you can go through. I'll jump right away to the main part. Appointing a chief compliance officer who will be responsible for creating act and rules or guidelines, whatever the company or platform is providing. So that appointing of the chief compliance officer must be done. The second thing is appointing a nodal contact person for 24/7 coordination with law enforcement agency. The third one is appointing a resident grievance officer who shall be subject to the clause previous one as well as the intermediary. I'll be explaining intermediary using one small example. If a person A is communicating with person B, he or she will be using a small platform or a big platform, and that platform is an intermediary. So they will not be knowing, or if the data or the users are very huge, like the person A is just one here. So if there are huge users, a bulk users, and then the intermediaries or the platforms cannot verify that they are posting the legal or illegal content. So for that, the company may not be blamed. The user who has posted it, the user who has posted the false content, manipulated content, must be blamed for this. It cannot be done in the messaging platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram or even Signal, because these are end-to-end encryption and they will not be knowing what is the content that user A is communicating with B. Then only possibility is by removing this end-to-end encryption, which will expose your chat with third party or even the platform. Coming to the third part, it explains in detail about the online news media, and here the things about the OTT platforms are explained. Coming to the content classification part here, the OTT platform should divide the content into U, that is universal, and then UA, that is 7 plus, 13 plus, 16 plus, and A rated categories. So these should be classified based on so many informations, and these are to be maintained on all the online news and media OTT platforms. And the very important thing is code of ethics, and everyone who is using the online content as well as publishers must follow or comply this code of ethics. And mainly the content which affects the sovereignty and integrity of India, content which threatens, endangers, and brings problem to the security operations of the state, content which is detrimental to India's friendly relations with foreign countries, and content which is likely to invite the violence and disturbance in the public order. So these content must be avoided in any manner. And other than this, there are, as usual, racial, religion, and any kind of beliefs, practices, or anything should be taken into consideration. So as the 3 months time has been over right now, the companies are have already requested, as also requesting for a 6 months time to comply to these rules and guidelines. Do you think it is going to be extended or is it going to be banned? What do you think? To understand more about cybersecurity and internet, then do hit the subscribe button, because I'm coming up with more and more interesting videos just for you, making it simpler and easy.